Hey, hi, how you doing? So my name is Raphael, and I'm here to introduce to you Skill.Sch. Now, the traditional learner of today would watch videos, will go to Stack Overflow to look for code, will look for ways to solve this problem because because technology is moving faster than learners can cope with. Now, here is a platform we've built for students to move from learning to the workforce. How? We have quite a number of features all in one platform without navigating to anywhere else to get them from unemployed, to get them from learning to the job force. And we have the most important thing that we emphasize at Skill.Sch is learn by doing. So I'm going to show you I'm going to show you this one first. We call it Cloud Lab. What is a Cloud Lab? A Cloud Lab is a step-by-step gamified walkthrough that is attached to every of our lesson at Skill.Sch. If we take, for example, this one, let's assume that we've just finished class and the topic was inside.gate. Okay, so you can see the lab that will be attached to inside.gate. You see that there's a quick reference guide, there's a lab guide, and there is also a step-by-step. Okay, so if these commands actually run and they work. Okay, so the learner can actually test them out here even before going to VS Code. And guess what? After here, they all end up in GitHub. So if you're planning to have a lot of hands-on projects, on GitHub, Skill.Sch is the place for you. Okay, so I'm gonna move to so you can see that every completed lab. So every students get to work. Anyone that they complete, they get XPs for it. Now I'm the admin. That's why my account is like this. But normal students' account are much more. Okay, so let's move to another one. So I've shown you what a Cloud Lab is. So the next thing I'm going to be showing you is what I call Cloud Studio. Okay, so so what is Cloud Studio? Cloud Studio also built to make the student's hand very strong. Okay, to increase there is an inbuilt browser experience also built to make the student master the concepts and gain muscle memory. Okay, so let's assume that the topic I just finished teaching was Docker. I'm going to open any of these ones. Okay, it can be anyone. So let's start from here. For example, I'm going to click on this. Okay, I'm going to click on this. Just give me a minute. Okay, so now there's a brief. Okay, there's a task. Okay, and you can see that there's a timer and it's gamified. They can earn XP. The question is saying that run Docker PS. How many containers are currently running on this particular host? Now, so the command, because the student would have learned in class before coming here, and even they even gave the hint. So the command to check how many containers are running is Docker PS. Okay, so if I type Docker PS, you can see that, boom. Okay, so it gives me it gives me the number of containers. Now if you look here, if you count 1, 2, 3, there are 3 containers. So I'm just going to type 3 here. I'm just going to type 3, and you can see that the answer is correct. Okay, so it's like this for all the labs. They are interactive. They are meant to increase the concepts and make the student gain mastery and build muscle memory. Okay, so we have let me show you this particular thing that you're looking at on the screen is what we call SSLive engine, Skill.School Labs engine. Okay, so we're not just a boot camp. We also have as part of Skill.Sch, we have a department that is actively collecting client jobs. Okay, so we build apps, we build platforms, and whenever we have such requests, our students, we attach them to go do internship, to come learn with us as we deploy. Okay, so then apart from that, we also have a simulated internship experience. So it's actually locked and it gets open to the students after they have completed two models. Okay, I'm going to click on this so you look at how it is. At the moment, we only have about 3 different internship tracks. We have the one for cloud support, we have DevOps and SRE. So let me click the one for cloud support, and you can see that it looks like a Kanban board with open, in progress, and yeah, resolved. Okay, so let's assume I want to take on this one. I'm just going to click on it, and there are about 200 different tickets. Okay, because yeah, there's no how you resolve 200 different tickets here that you will not know what to do if you apply and get a job of a cloud support engineer. So you can see there is a brief. Okay, there is the students are not just left on their own. There is an AI agent. We call our AI agent for tutors and internship. We call the AI agent, we call her Maya. Okay, so she has a persona, and we can actually chat with Maya. Okay, so let's assume we want to chat with Maya. How are you, Maya? Okay, let's assume that we want to chat with her. She's going to respond. Okay, so he said let's focus on the incident at hand. Yeah, so she doesn't want to play. She only wants to focus on the work, which is good. That's what is expected of her. Okay, so now there's also a quiz. The quiz is to strengthen the concept, because the purpose of this is to make the student learn. So if I click on this, we also have a product that we call SSLive. Okay, so SSLive generates quizzes in all of our lessons. Okay, it generates quizzes in all of our lessons. So if I say so I need to be logged out of the admin account. I've logged out. Now you can see what is really there. Okay, so it says start quiz. So it says that which command resolves the ticket. So you can see that so this one you can see. But the purpose is to make the student remember, to build muscle memory. I'm going to leave this. So you've seen how our virtual internship experience is. I'm going to go out of here. I'm going to go back to, okay, so we are in another section. We call this cloud. Okay, so cloud arcade is also memory. Okay, so if I move to, so we are currently updating and upgrading them. We're going to have more missions as time go by. So you can see that it looks like a game. Okay, so it looks like a game, and this particular mission says that show your work. So PWD shows your work location, and we've been given a task. Okay, show your current directory. Okay, so I know that they've given us a hint, but you also have a direct hint. If I click on it, so they've given us a hint. XP. Okay, it's actually PWD. Okay, so we're done with that, and another one has open. So giving that vibe of a game. Okay, so that's why. So we've I think I've shown you about 2 or 3 products. Okay, every activity that the student actually does, it increases all this. Okay, it increases all this, and you can see that the current active students are showing in the leaderboard. There are things for them to do. There are targets to work on. Okay, there are targets to work on, and there is a perk store that encourages when they do something, to go and claim. I think let me check what we have again. We have an Amazon gift card of $100. They can buy their teacher coffee. They can get recharge cards for their mobile phones. And they can donate back to Skill.Sch. Okay, so this is just the perk store. I think I've shown you Cloud Studio, Cloud Lab. I've shown you Cloud Arcade. I'm going to show you something that we're very excited about, is the SS Cloud. Okay, so SS Cloud is an in-browser simulated environment. One of the biggest problems that learners usually have is the free cloud trial accounts. Okay, so cloud credits to learn and to do. So we have simulated all the services, most of the important services, compute, network, storage. You can see from the left hand side, the list is very exhaustive. If I click on Microsoft Azure, because the first link that brought me there was compute, you can see that compute in Azure is one of the most popular compute services in Azure is virtual machine. If I fill in all these details, details out, you'll see that I would really create a virtual machine. Okay, so we're excited about SS Cloud, and so I'm going to show you something else. Yes, I've shown you SS Cloud. I've told you about SSLive. Okay, so this is SSLive. Uh, okay, so normally when we give the student, SSLive makes our classes, makes the experience interesting even when they're not in class. Okay, so today is a Wednesday. There is no class. Our classes are weekends, but I can create a debate, okay, and post in their various groups and ask them to take it, and I'll see the result live. Okay, I'll see the result live. Let me show you an example. Yeah, so previous reports, you can see that on out during a weekday like this, and students took it. Yeah, so we're excited about this product. It's been very good because at the end of every lesson, it automatically generates a quiz. Then we can use it for debates. We can use it for challenges. Yeah, so we can use it for debates, challenges, and it's interesting. Okay, so even if it's Slack, it's integrated into Slack and all. Yeah, so I'm going to show you. We have another interesting product for our students to collaborate. Okay, so to collaborate and work together, and that's what we also use for our live classes. We call it Show Up. It was made by us, made by the internal team. I told you that we have a small team that makes app. We collect consultancy apps from outside. So they build this for us, and this is for live classes. So if we have a live class, yeah, if we have a live class, this is how it looks like. The trainer has his waiting room, and yeah, so the trainer would send the link to the students, and yeah, so you can see that this is a proprietary app, and it's good. We like it a lot. It has taken a lot of burden off us. If I had a class, I'll just schedule the class. We call it show. Okay, show up. The idea was what led to the name was, oh, okay, show up for class. Okay, that was how we adopted the name show. Okay, so because we want everyone to show, so it's good for collaborating. We have Stream Studio, Snap Studio. The reason Snap Studio is there is because yeah, you want to take a bug report, this will help you. You want to take a screenshot for your article, this will help you as well. And yeah, so this particular one is good for collaborative work. All our students get free access to it. So you can see that I can call someone that has a problem can come, and we can work on his code here together. And yeah, so I just need to invite the person to show up, and yeah, we can work together. Okay, so I've shown you the tool we use for collaboration. I'm going to go back to okay, so this one I've not shown it to you. I think I accidentally closed the website. Sorry, skill. Okay, so yeah, so I've not shown you this one, but it's also part of the website. Now, when people onboard on our platform, we have students, we have beginners, intermediate, advanced. Okay, so for advanced learners, typically things like this are what they will see. I think you can see that we have this one is SRE, and there are different missions that they can take. I'm going to show you. We have a lot of labs. We have in-browser labs, but the most important thing you should know is that we don't teach engineering alone. So if I click on Power BI, you can see that we have something for the data people as well. We have something for the data people. Just give me a minute. You can see it's simulating Power BI experience in a browser. Okay, so let me show you for SAP. Okay, so for SAP. Okay, so where is SAP? Just give me a minute. Code categorization did not work. Okay, let's check for yeah. Let me just show you this, and I'll leave here. Okay, so we have for Excel, we have for SAP, we even have SQL. Okay, so this is yeah. So this is DevOps. I'm seeing Kubernetes. So this is DevOps. You have the quick reference guide. You have the syntax breakdown. You even get a hint on what to do on every page. When you're done, you click check progress, and if you want to use this on your personal computer, you want to test the commands, you can choose Mac, Windows, and Linux. Okay, so yeah, you check your progress. if it's correct, and you can move to the next step. You can see that everything is gamified. Okay, so I'm going to leave this one. I'm going to go back to our platform. Just give me a minute. I think I've shown you almost everything. The remaining thing that is left to show you is our in-class our class experience. Okay, so I'm going to show you our course library. I'm going to enter it into this course. So this is how our courses would look like. Okay, so if there's no video, the AI coach is in the middle. She will talk. I can flip the AI coach, and I can flip the AI coach and try something on the terminal. Okay, so everything we do is totally hands-on. Click around, you can see it shows, and it unlocks the next level. I told you before that every class has an attached quiz. So this is an example of it, made with this app called SSLive. Yeah, so every class has an attached quiz. You can see that I need to log out from the admin account and close it and try again. Okay. Yeah, so this is an intelligent AI-enabled workforce development platform. I don't believe that we're a boot camp. In a boot camp, you watch videos, but all I've been showing you since, we highly emphasize on learn by doing. Okay, so the workforce of tomorrow will be a workforce that really knows what they're doing. So that's why we built this platform. Yeah, so you can see that every class has a lab that I told you. Look at it. When they finish, if I click it, it will open in the browser. When you finish, you submit here. It goes to Grading Hub. Okay, it goes to Grading Hub. Yeah, so every assignment comes to Grading Hub. Yeah, we have the AI to grade it. The AI, sometimes the AI does not give a fair assessment. So I need to look at the students' work personally. Oh, okay, so this will be yeah, so this will be an exam. So this is supposed to be 100%. Okay, so I don't know why I graded it wrong. So this is we take one of our modules is called Cloud Fundamentals Azure Track. So that particular module, we have about 9 Azure exams that we write. They're all for free. Yeah, so when the students finish, they upload their certificate. So that was why this student uploaded his certificate. Guys, that'll be all. I hope you learned a thing or two from watching this video. Thank you very much. Bye bye for now. One more thing before I leave, we also have a career hub where where it tells us their CV. It tells us their CV and it applies for them concurrently, recurring. Okay, so it keeps on. It auto applies. Okay, it auto applies, and there's also a mock interview. So everything actually works. Yeah, that'll be all for now. Bye bye. Thank you.